Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to connect a domain to Readymag. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so best way to do this is open up a web browser and head on over to readymag.com and sign into your account. Then from there, find that project you'd like to connect a domain to. So I've just created this quick one here. So this is a project of mine. So basically click on it or hover your mouse over it and click on the three dots. Then from there, we got the option to connect the domain. We can duplicate, move, preview, and all that stuff, or rename, but click on connect domain. Now it's going to say push the limits. We need to upgrade your plan to a map a domain. So we need to change our plan. So we need to choose from either one of these. So we got a personal plan. So from there, we can, it's going to be, this is $14. We can go ahead and click on upgrade to that. And then we've got all features plus more. So we can go ahead, one published website with a custom domain connection, one custom.xyz domain. So once you go ahead and upgrade your plan, you're going to be able to connect a domain to it.